Hey, it's James from All Hail Internal Combustion, coming to you on this chilly, cold day with an unboxing video. Wow, something completely different. I bet you weren't expecting that. Make sure you like and subscribe. So we went to Harbor Freight this morning. Okay, and we also went to Wawa.
We got a box of Wawa coffee.
Best coffee anywhere.
Yeah, we're not sponsored, and there's supposed to be a Wawa coming to York, PA, so we are very, very excited, and we want you to put up stores everywhere.
Yes, and we will accept a sponsorship, just saying. Anyway, so free lifetime coffee, you know, no big deal. We'll give you a shout out every video. So I picked this terminal assortment kit up this morning. It was $24. You know, 1,000 pieces. I mean, I tear all the little plastic connectors off and I solder everything. So I'm not worried about crimp connectors being good or not. I just need something to solder to, really. So I picked up some other stuff. We got these U.S. General wrench holders, which they worked out pretty nice, actually. Got them hung up over here. They're not hard plastic is what I kind of like. They're a softer plastic, but they're really, really flexible. So we'll see. Give you guys an update. We got the ratchet wrenches from there too. Or you guys remember we fixed this workbench. This was actually out of their dumpster. They threw it away. And we took it out and fixed it, put it back into use. We did buy that toolbox there. It's held up good for about a year. Still works great. No issues there, definitely. We got a lot of weight in there.
Yeah, that was the problem. I used to have a bunch of Craftsman boxes, and my hammer drawer and my engine building tools drawer would always break because they weren't roller drawer boxes. But I picked this one up last year. I think it was like $3.59. All the drawers are roller, and it's just been a great toolbox, and plus it's super deep. The old Craftsman boxes weren't nowhere near as deep as that. So if y'all need a toolbox, save up the money and go try out U.S. General stuff. We like it.
It rolls nice too. It rolls really nice. It's got a handle and it locks. Comes with what, like 4 keys or something?
Yeah.
So yeah, another score we got. That'll turn around there. It's nice Pittsburgh engine hoist we got here. Fold up, nice collapsible. Used it, what, a dozen times already, easy.
Yeah.
We moved a wood stove with this thing. It's held up really great. And we found this, well, my dad found this.
I found this in a dumpster like 4 or 5 years ago down in Maryland when I lived there. And basically I pulled it out and every single thing was there, and I guess somebody used it to pull one motor and then returned it.
It was scratched
saying
up.
that it was bad because it did have a couple light scratches on it. But I don't understand why they don't resell something like that. I guess it's an insurance thing, but hey, thanks for the free engine hoist.
I've picked up the Pontiac motor, and I mean, that's pretty heavy, and I think I had it all the way out at 1/4 ton, and I was lifting more than a 1/4 ton of weight. So, you know, this thing's done pretty good. So you might not find one in the dumpster, but it's worth the money, whatever they're asking for it. So let's get to the unboxing. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. I'll tell you how their plastic wrap works. I got some clips to fasten my wiring up on my Pontiac. So there we are. There's all your pieces. This big heavy bag.
That's how I used to get my pills in the 80s. Oh, got them yellows and them blues and them reds.
Yeah, they could have all came just like this with no wire nuts, trash.
Yeah.
Wire nuts, trash. Vampires, trash.
Yeah, show these things. Like, if you're not overly familiar with wiring, they technically call these things vampires. You put them down over top of a wire, add another wire to the side, and then pinch them down with a pair of pliers and lock them. Do not use these on your wiring if you have any other option whatsoever. These things actually cut into your wire, they weaken it and they break strands and everything else. And because it's aluminum going on top of copper, you get a lot of corrosion in your wire where you put these things. So these things belong in one place, and that would be the garbage.
Yeah, we'll actually, when we do the Pontiac wiring, we'll go ahead and shoot a video and show you how to splice into a wire properly with solder. Even though everybody's crying about solder destroying the wires, we'll show you how to splice into a wire properly. So this was the main thing I bought this kit for. The organizer. Check that out. These little containers, they just, everything ends up, you spill it and everything goes everywhere. We're gonna hang this on the wall. I'm gonna label it, even though these labels are tiny. I don't think I'd probably use these. These will probably,
Well, with the see-through drawers, you can see what's in the drawer. That's nice, clear iPad plastic.
yeah, so stay tuned. We'll, you know, that's our unboxing video. We unboxed the coffee. It's pretty good, too. It's James from All Hail Internal Combustion. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.